Welcome to our new home. It's a work in progress, but we're so excited to give you the first look.
Yeah. The world is so small till it ain't. Yeah.
This is our first condo. Let's put some respect on that name. This is our first condo together. We just recently got engaged, and we're just really excited to share this with y'all.
Yeah, we think we found actually the perfect condo for us. 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, yeah.
Beautiful views when it's not rainy. We have a beautiful kitchen, and I think what's most important is there's so much room for potential. This is the unfinished apartment tour. Let's just get into it. So this is our foyer, her entry. What I love about this condo is that it actually has an entry or has a foyer. So when you first come in, we have a console table. This is some artwork. I had this in my old apartment. Just a place to put our mail. We have some beautiful flowers to greet you, but it's kind of bare bones right now. And the vision is to have this be like a statement piece. So we're thinking maybe we'll have some wallpaper on the walls, definitely some artwork, but fun fact, we got this at the Goodwill because Bernard's a huge Bulldogs fan, so you'll probably see random memorabilia all over the house. You're going to enter the kitchen. After you come off the foyer, you make this left turn and you see this beautiful kitchen.
The kitchen's dope. I like how big the island is. A lot of room to host and to eat and to cook and to do activities, lots of activities. Got a little tea and coffee nook, you know, Wizard on the espresso maker. I do like the gas range, stovetop. All the appliances are like super brand new. I just like the interface. The dishwasher's nice too. Yeah.
One thing that I absolutely love is there's so much counter space. So we have this beautiful high island, these cool little bar stools, but we have so much storage, like storage for days. Underneath, on top, like honestly y'all, I just store random things in these that aren't even food related. This is one of Bernard's favorite features. Got him this for Christmas. He loves fire. And every night at his parents' house, he would light a fire in the backyard. So I wanted to help him recreate his little fire dreams. Let the magic happen. Woo! Doesn't smell. You just use alcohol for it, and like, look how sexy the vibes are. Like, what? So this is a work in progress, but this is gonna be our plant herb garden wall. We have the first 3 up so far. The vision here is to fill this up, probably up to like here, with like herbs that we can cut fresh and like cook with. I love hanging plants, so we'll have like pothos and things like that. But again, if you have any recommendations of like cool plant stores in Atlanta, let us know. We like to support local and not always shop at Lowe's.
How we knew this place was for us immediately, it was these views. I mean, walking into this living room is one of my favorite places. And I just can't wait till we really start setting up what we want to do in here, like a gallery wall. We really are inspired by, what would you say, like photography? And
yeah. I
would say like Gordon Parks and Jamel Shabazz and even like abstract type of art, black art, blackity black art. Yeah, the TV, the views, the TV, the sofa. Really do enjoy this sofa. It's probably the largest sofa I've ever had. It's great.
Huge. So our sofa is about 120 inches. So we are going to enter our boudoir next. What I love about this space is there's so much natural light. It is crazy. I love not having curtains. We both actually love not having curtains. And just waking up to another day that the good Lord has made. So the vibes for in here, we wanted to keep it like very cozy, peaceful, and serene. So we went with a very neutral color palette. Again, still very bare bones. We're still working on it. We plan to have a nice little reading nook over here. So here we'll have like a small console. We'll do maybe another frame TV on the wall. Would love everyone's thoughts on this. We are thinking about doing like a feature wall. Wallpaper would be really cool, maybe stencils or something. Something not crazy expensive, for one, but then we'll just like give this a real entrance, a real vibe when you come in.
Now my second favorite room in this house right now probably gotta be this big old bathroom. We don't call it a master no more, they call it the main.
The primary.
Oh yeah, the primary. Yeah, really wanted to try to encapsulate some spa vibes in here. We got our plant situation. I gotta get down next to it. Yeah, got the snake plant in here. She's doing good. Big old shower, which is nice. And the shower bathtub combo.
My favorite part is this tub. I'm a tub girly, so you know I be living in here.
Yeah, she does. And when she's doing all that living, I can live in here. It's beautiful.
So from the bathroom, we enter into our primary closet. So it's big but small. It's big because I lived in New York and we didn't have any closet space, but it's small-ish considering it's 2 people. We went to IKEA and got some shelving that we put in here, some drawers. It already came with these built-ins on the walls, you can see. And so we're just still figuring it out. The goal was to get all of our stuff in here, and then we'll kind of like organize as we go. But we have the really cool shoe bins. Bernard has tons of sneakers, tons of shoes. This super easy find from, I'm gonna say Walmart. And we have some hooks that we put up so we can put our robes on the back. And I got these cool little bins to put bathing suits in here. I keep like scarves and sunglasses in here. I have like belts in here. So it just keeps things pretty organized. We've arrived. This is our 2nd bedroom, which is AKA Bernard's audition space, AKA the creative zone, AKA if you're a guest at a house, this is where you're gonna be sleeping at. Very rough, very big bare bones right now. What I love about it is, again, the ceilings are really high. It still feels spacious. We still have amazing views. So much room for potential. One thing that I definitely want to add in here is a cute little desk so I'll be able to like work from here. If you guys have any recommendations, something cute, not bulky, let us know. And then we have another closet which holds a good amount of stuff. So we are on our balcony. Bernard's favorite thing is fire. A fire pit for outside. How often do you come?
I try to come, about 6 times a week. That's where I get most of my good thinking and stuff.
That is it. That is our apartment tour and our condo tour. And we're really excited to make it feel like home. And we'd love your input. So if you have any design ideas, drop it down below. If you have any favorite stores that you think we should check out, any sites, websites or stores in Atlanta, extra bonus points, let us know. And we can't wait to see you on the next one. And so always we say, please subscribe, give us a like, smash the button. And again, even if you don't like it, just continue to encourage us and maybe drop a comment or subscribe just because of that. We will see you on the next one though.
That's right.
More lifestyle, relationship, and wellness content. Holla at us. Oh, and we're gonna be giving updates on the home, so you wanna stay tuned.